A naked American man stole my balloon.
Beware the moon, lads.
Beware the moon, David. Now, I'm really sorry to be upsetting you, but I have to warn you.
Warn me?
We were attacked by a werewolf.
I'm not listening to this.
On the moors, we were attacked by a lycanthrope, a werewolf. I was murdered, an unnatural death, and now I walk the earth in limbo until the werewolf's curse is lifted.
Shut up.
The wolf's bloodline must be severed. The last remaining werewolf must be destroyed. It's you, David. Have you ever talked to a corpse? It's boring. I'm lonely.
Jesus Christ!
Without a dream.
What? God! Fire! I'm burning up!
Please don't cry.
Get the fuck out of here, Jack.
Go. God be with you.
David! You're hurting my feelings.
I'm a werewolf.
The slaughtered lamb.
It's a pentangle, a 5-pointed star. It's used in witchcraft. Lon Chaney Jr. and Universal Studios maintain that's the mark of the wolf man.
I didn't mean to call him Meatloaf, Jack.
Go! Stay on the road. Keep clear to the moors.
You really scared me, you shithead. Oh, shit, David. What is that?
Don't I need a silver bullet or something?
Oh, be serious, would you? The supernatural. The power of darkness. It's all true. Take your life, David. Kill yourself. Before you kill others. But I did tell you so, you schmuck.
I'm a victim of your carnivorous lunar activities.